What's going on, guys? Zack Decker. We're here at Decker Training Facility. It's 2021. I'm just going to fill you in with a little bit of my training insight, my off-season insight, a little bit after my injury. So we're back here, we're riding, everything's doing great. I'm happy to say that I'm going to be switching to Yamaha this year. I think this is going to be a good move and a good start for a lot of new, good, upcoming things. So I plan on racing Pro-Am and Pro Sport this year. I'm excited to be back on the track after my injury, and I'm excited to see everyone at the first round.